Hey y'all, so I know that we usually are doing fitness, but I came to you today to celebrate women and to show you how to make your own DIY all natural organic yoni wash or vaginal wash with all natural organic ingredients. So let's get started. So your ingredients follows Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. You're going to need some fractionated coconut oil, some Thayers non-alcoholic witch hazel, unscented, your essential oils, some distilled water, and of course your roses. Yes. Now first you want to rinse your roses to make sure you remove any pesticides that may be on them. After that, you want to take your rose petals and use your strainer to drain them. So special, how it feels when I'm with you. Okay, now here's the fun part. You're going to take your roses that you just rinsed off and put them into a large pot. And you're going to pour your distilled water over them. Now you don't want to pour so much where you drown them because you don't want to dilute your rose water. Now cover your pot and put it on a medium setting and allow it to just simmer for about 30 minutes. While we're waiting, you can take your leftover roses and do a nice little bouquet for your coffee table. So pretty, right? So your petals should be a pale color once they are done simmering, and you want to let the rose water completely cool off. This is the color you should achieve once you're done. Alright, so on hand you need to have a mason jar with the lid, a half measuring cup, and 1 teaspoon measuring cup. Now quickly, I'll be showing you the essential oils I'll be using. First is lemongrass. Next is eucalyptus. Last but not least, my sweet orange. Okay, so you're going to take your half measuring cup and dip it into your rose water and pour that into your mason jar. You're going to do the same for your witch hazel. Then add 2 teaspoons of your fractionated coconut oil, along with 2 teaspoons of your Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. Next, you're going to add your essential oils. I use, again, lemongrass, eucalyptus, and sweet orange. It's so pretty. Now give it a good stir. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Here's a side view of me stirring it. Alright, we're all done. That's your all-natural DIY yoni wash. It lathers very well. You can also add this to an empty bottle like I did, and just make sure it's cleaned out really good and it's no residuals from what was in there previously. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Stay down till I can do what I want. Sacrifice the light, invest in my own. Poverty, it didn't break me at all. Hard times, it only made me stronger. I fell down a lot as times got older, but it only made me smarter. Young, waiting on his karma. Bitch, woman, turn to a star.